Hi, I'm Kayla Dearden. I currently live in Garden City, Kansas, where I work for the USD 457 Public Schools. I am teaching third grade. This is my fourth year in doing so. I've loved every minute of it. I started off coaching volleyball, basketball, and swim team and have recently dialed it back to just volleyball, which has been great for being able to enjoy some time at my house. As for the people who influenced me, my parents were the biggest influence in my life, is what I would say. They encouraged me to make my own friends. They encouraged me to follow my dreams, and they encouraged me to do what I thought was best. My mom and dad both had a different way of doing so, but it was a way that was beneficial for me. My mom was good at pushing me out of my comfort zone, and my dad was good at helping me reflect on what I wanted. Both of them are really important and something that I needed help with because I wasn't good with that. And we'll see why in just a minute in our personality test, which explains a lot. So I'm very grateful for them. As for the personality test, I was not surprised at all. I got a 91 in agreeableness, which is the factor 3. It says a high person is agreeable and friendly. And agreeableness is friendly and optimistic. I would say that is definitely me. I tend to look past any negative traits of a person. Like if I'm close to someone, I look past the negative traits and just focus on the positive ones. I like nice, I like friendly, I like openness. So that one didn't surprise me at all. I like to make people happy and help in any way. My second highest one was conscientiousness. And this one says that we're careful and diligent. I will agree. I like things the way they're supposed to be. I like to take time to think, to reflect, and then to act. The next one, which was emotional stability. I could see this. That one kind of surprised me a little bit more. I guess I thought it would be a little lower. I had a 58 in it, but I don't think it's too far off just based off of some of the stuff that I've gone through in the past. So, my extroversion was my next lowest with a 9. I'm not an extrovert. It is something that I've really had to push myself to do. I let my twin sister always make friends for us, so going back to get myself there was really hard. College was the way that I got there. I went to a college when I knew nobody, because otherwise I would resort back to the same people that I went to high school with. And knowing that about me, I guess that doesn't surprise me that I was a 9 there. And intellect and imagination, openness to experience. I was really surprised with that one, because I like to go experience things, but I guess I do like it in the traditional and conventional way. I want to experience new things, but I want it on my terms, and I want to know what's going to be happening there. So, personality test I felt like was pretty right on. The next thing that we were supposed to talk about was the leadership theories. The 2 leadership theories that I chose were democratic and authentic. I thought both of these related really, really well to the personality test that we took. Democratic leadership was allowing everyone an opportunity to share their thoughts, to be open, and then to come to a conclusion together. That is me. If I'm going to lead, I want everyone else to lead with me. I don't want to be the center of attention. I don't want to be the one taking charge. I want to work together and find the best way possible through encouragement and using each other's ideas. I think our ideas are much stronger that way. And then the second type of leadership that I thought fit my personality and the way I could lead was the authentic leadership. Leading with your heart. I think that my heart has a ton to do with everything, so being able to have heart, drive, be aware of what I want and what I believe, and having focus to look at it, I think fit my personality and the way I lead in an everyday life. So, thanks for listening.